Hi friends, let me share something interesting with you today. I used an 8-inch hoop embroidery floss, needle and stitched it on natural linen fabric. Embroidery hoops are available in many different sizes and materials. I prefer working in wooden hoops, but plastic or metal options may work best for you. Your design may specify what size of hoop to work in, but sometimes a different sized hoop can be easier to hold and stitch into depending on the size of your hands. Generally, I stitch on 100% cotton, but please experiment with different weaves, types and colors to see what you enjoy embroidering on. Remember that light and thin fabrics may allow the back-your stitches to show through, so be sure to keep them neat. Please avoid stretchy fabric as a beginner. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss any update. Needles. Needle type and size is most important in hand embroidery. Depending on the style of hand embroidery you are trying and the fabric and thread you use, the right needle will make or break your embroidery project. It's important to pick the right needle type and needle size. There are 3 types of needles you need to make friends with right way: embroidery, chenille, and tapestry. Embroidery. They are used for general surface embroidery, creole work, gold work, white work, and practically any embroidery technique that requires a sharp needle. Chenille. Chenille needles are used in surface embroidery, creole embroidery, chenille embroidery, and any time you want a large, long eye to accommodate your thread and a sharp tip to pierce your fabric. Tapestry. They are used primarily for counter thread work and needlepoint or any needlework on fabric or canvas that has open holes that determine where each stitch is placed. If you like our video, hit the like button below and leave a comment. Thanks for watching our videos.